Dear viewers and listeners, in this video we wanna learn how to extract month name, day, year and month quantity from MySQL database. At first we have to create our database. I have created there a demo database that's name is student info. It has a table whose name is student data, and it contains 1 2 3 4 data field. Here ID is the number data field, data type, role it is the text or number data type, it is string text, and it is the date data type. From there or from this table we wanna learn the month name of this date. From here, how can we know this? At first we have to create a SQL syntax. I have written there a month name, the admit date. Admit date is the name of the field and it is the month name, it is the syntax, and I have also typed there a star mark. You know the star mark means the all of data will be displayed on your next views. So we want to call this month name, it is the admit date, which is the name of date field, and we wanna use this as a different name as month name. We wanna execute this SQL syntax. Go. You have noticed that it's there the February 2021 02 and 05. It's the February month, so the data has been displayed there February. Now we want to know the month quantity of this date, so we have to type there another SQL syntax. Star, then we have written there select star and month. Month means month quantity. Admit date, it means the name of the column of date field. As month quantity from student data, it is the table name, and we are now execute this. Dear listeners, you can see there month name is month quantity is 2. We know that February is the second month of any year, so we can see there the result 2 as month quantity. How can we extract year from the admit date or from the column of containing date? Here we have to write the another SQL syntax. There is star, comma, we have to write their year. Sorry, E-A-R, year. Admin date as year. We want to execute this. You can see here the year 2021 has been extracted there and it has been displayed on another column of this views. Now we want to extract day from this column, so we have to write another SQL syntax, star comma, we have to write their day, now the column name as day. Now we have to execute this SQL command. It is the 5. We have got the 5 as a result and the day, and you can see the result has been displayed there and the day has been extracted from the column. My dear listeners and viewers, I hope you have enjoyed this video carefully. Thanks for watching this video.